Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this humidifier we got a while ago. We got this because we live in Las Vegas and it's very dry here. We're having problems like coughing every night, allergies, and yeah, this humidifier right here really helped us, and I thought it would be cool to make a review and talk about the main features and also talk about one important thing that I think everyone should know before buying. So this right here is a cool mist humidifier, and it can cover up to 215 square feet area. Our bedroom is a little bit bigger. I think our bedroom is like 350 square feet, and this does a really good job. Since we start using this, we saw a big improvement in our sleep with, like I said, coughing and all the allergies that we were having because of the dry weather here. It can hold up to 4 liters of water. So it has a big tank that lasts up to 40 hours. Usually, I'd say like we use the medium mist. So for us, it lasts for about 30 hours. So every other day we have to fill it up. And the best thing about this humidifier, it has a top fill, as you can see right here. So you can just fill it from the top. And it also has an anti-leakage design that allows you to fill the tank without removing the top. This little cover right here, so you can just pour the water here and it's good to go. And this humidifier also has this 360-degree nozzle right here, so you can choose to where you want to point this. Usually I don't like to face it towards the bed. I like to point it on the other way, and it works pretty well for us. And also, I can't forget to mention this humidifier has an auto shut off mode that you can use, and it's very quiet. I don't notice any noise. I'm gonna turn it on so you can have an idea, but it's not very noisy. It's not very loud, which I like a lot. So I'm gonna turn this thing on so you can see it by yourself how quiet this thing is. Yeah, you can barely hear anything. So it has 3 settings. The blue light right here is the low mist. I can show you right now. The orange is the medium mist, which is usually the one we use. Unless it's really dry, we use the 3rd setting. It gives you a purple light, and this is the high mist. Even though it's pretty bright in this room, you can still see how strong this is. So on most days we use the medium setting. All right, now let's talk about the one important thing I said in the beginning that I think everyone should know before buying this humidifier. So as I said, and as you guys saw, the humidifier itself is very quiet. You can barely hear anything, but once in a while, I wouldn't say that it does this a lot, but once in a while, so you pour the water right here in the tank, and then this part right here, which is the bottom, usually gets filled with the water that is in the tank, so the mist can come out. And the problem is when this bottom part right here is being filled by the water in the tank, it makes a little weird noise. So if you have this really close to your bed without anything on, usually me and my husband, we sleep with a white noise machine, so we don't really get bothered by this noise as much. But if you're sleeping in a very quiet room, this noise that it makes might bother you a little bit. So just keep that in mind, that it might make a little noise here and there. But overall, I love this humidifier. I think it works great. Like I said, it has helped us a lot.